Hey friends, Cherie here, and we're back with day 2 of our daily harvest videos. It is July 4th. We have a storm rolling in. Let me show you the sky. It's rumbling, y'all. And but I do need a few things to incorporate into our dinner real quick, so I'm gonna grab them and get right back in the house. Mostly I'm here for sweet banana peppers. I'm gonna make a little sweet banana pepper quick pickle to serve alongside our protein. I have several plants with them, so I'm going to grab all those. Then I'm going to go inside the garden, and I have some peas and some beans that I'm going to harvest. They're all going to just go into the quick pickle. The strawberries should be ready tomorrow. There are a few more in the lower garden also. We're gonna get tomorrow, but let me stay focused. Here's the sweet banana peppers. I gotta hurry up, it's starting to rain now. I noticed a few peas the other day, so I'm just gonna go around and hope that I don't miss any and grab as many as I can. Man, I guess I waited too long to come out here, but I still need to get some stuff. I got some peas. I'm gonna get these beans real quick. Kind of protect it from the rain right now, but I gotta search for some beans. Ooh. I gotta go. Well, there'll be more for tomorrow, but this will be a nice little mix to add into some onions that I have left over from my harvest yesterday. Well, here's what I got. I'm gonna, like I said, add this to some onions and just do like a fresh, quick pickle. And I'm just gonna serve that on the side with our protein and starch for dinner. Okay, so I wasn't able to harvest as much as I wanted because of the storm. It's still storming. It's like an hour later. But everything in this bowl was from the garden. So I had some arugula left from a couple days ago when I harvested. So there's some fresh raw arugula, fresh raw onions. I had some tomatoes left over from harvest yesterday. It's just a few, it's like 6 little cherry tomatoes in there. And then some onions, the white bulb part as well as the green tops, and then all those different beans and peas. So there's one of the beautiful purple peas. This is yummy. I'm going to actually make this again when I can harvest larger quantities. This is a delicious side dish. I honestly could eat this whole bowl myself. My husband could eat this whole bowl himself, but unfortunately we have to share it. So anyway, that's it for today, July 4th. I'll see y'all tomorrow for tomorrow's daily harvest, and we'll wrap up with showing you the full meal for today. It's just not photogenic.
No,